We gave them 35 points on the first quarter, and it's not our system. Kasi we base our system on our defense. So I told them to settle down, and we improve our defense from second quarter to hanggang matapos yung game.
Coach, gano'n po ka-importante itong panalo? Kasi tayo kayo ng our next schedule for this game.
Yes, very important kasi nga tied sa fourth place, and kung sino man yung mananalo, yun yung explanation ko din sa mga players ko na may chance dun sa top spot, sa top 2 spot. Kung sino yung matatalo, yun yung bababa. So, I think, ano naman, buti kahit pa paano, naka-adjust kami. And yun, at least may chance pa kami dun sa top 2 spot. Yun lang ang maganda.
Coach, even before the tournament started ba, you were trying to bring in Batlett, kaya lang hindi siya okay?
Yes, very vocal naman kami dun na we want Ricardo, but he's not available because yung meron siyang Korea. And then we keep on talking to Ricardo kahit na nasa Korea pa siya. And we're very thankful talaga with Tony. He knows the situation, alam niya. And he's very professional. We love Tony. And I think also Tony loves us. Makikita naman yung suporta niya sa amin. Even na dumating na si Ricardo, nandiyan pa rin siya. Keep on supporting us. And I talked to Tony na sabi ko, if we have a chance again to get him, siguro in the future, baka magkasama ulit kami.